Okay, so as I was saying, those chords, that's chord extensions, those are major seventh, ninth, 11th, 13th. Those are chord extensions. And although you are yet to touch on the theoretical aspect, you don't need all of that now. What you are basically learning are simple chord progressions. And that's quite important because even most of the songs most of the songs, Western music, they are built on simple chord progressions. Most of the regular worship songs and praise songs we sing are built on simple chord progressions. And once you learn those chord progressions, then you can play quite a number of songs because they have those chord progressions. While you can still extend your knowledge to learning those other chords, those complex chords. If you learn the basics is quite important. Then it's going to be like a building block to those other aspects. Yeah. Did you get what I said?
I did hear you, Mr. Emmanuel.
Wow. Just wow. Okay, so I was saying that those are complex chords and
Okay.
these are simple. You shouldn't bother yourself about those ones yet. Yeah. Those are what we'll be dealing with now are simple chord progression. So just your G major chords and minor, just the simple chords. Those simple chords, however, are the chord progressions for quite a number of songs that popular songs that popular worship songs and praise songs. So if you can learn those chord progressions, then you'll be able to play and improvise to quite a number of songs already. So don't bother yourself about that now. And while yes, you can extend your knowledge to learning those chords, it's these are building blocks to that point. Yeah, once you know the theoretical aspect of chords, intervals, then you understand those ones. So the bottom line is just work on the simple chords. Forget about those 13th. Yes, they are major seventh, minor seventh. I'm not touching those ones now. Just the major,
But
minor chords.
because I was trying to remove them and I couldn't remove them.
No, you don't need to remove
The
them.
normal.
No, you don't need to remove them. They are. Can you hear me?
Okay, like no, in the video with Ayo, I saw that the chord you fixed in,
Yeah.
when I was trying to fix mine according to you saying it, I didn't see the normal chord, like the normal
Okay.
E minor.
I'm
So
guessing. I'm
the normal
guessing.
E minor I wasn't having issues with
I'm
E
guessing.
minor.
Hey, your video is hanging because of a network. But I'm guessing you just installed your Chordbot app. Yeah, you just install the Chordbot app. So the default chord progression on the Chordbot app, the default chord progressions, there is a lot. There are maybe 5 chords. There is all of those things that you maybe chord extensions, 7 chords. You remove all of those ones and insert your own chord. So you remove all of that and then start on a fresh page. So when you click on the chord, there's an option where you can see remove. Um,
I
okay.
did those things.
Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can. Gosh. Let me see if I can join in with my phone so I could show you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What else? What other challenge are you facing aside that? So you have not been able to insert the chords into the Chordbot app.
Yes, okay. And the code for the one for this week, the assignment for this week,
Yes.
I was trying to fix in the chords. But I didn't understand those those letters.
Those what?
The letters. Can get the picture.
Is it the tonic stuff I wrote? Okay.
No, like okay. Oh,
is that an aha moment? Are you just realizing it? Or are you just getting
Sorry.
it?
No, I'm so sorry. The chords, you wrote some letters like VI, IV, things like that.
Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, let me see. Let me see. Eesh. Let me see. 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 So yes, those what I wrote out there. E minor is chord 6 in the scale. So you have chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the scale degree. 1 is a major chord, 2 is a minor chord, 3 is a minor chord, 4 is a major chord, 5 is a major chord, 6 is a minor chord, 7 is a diminished chord. I would still explain all of those theoretical parts to you, but E minor in the key of G major, E minor is the sixth chord, so it is 6 is a minor chord, so E minor. That's why I wrote VI. There are ways of writing chords. So you could write it in Roman figure. So the reason why I wrote VI is that if you are using another key, if you are transposing to another key, for example A flat, the sixth chord is going to be you have A flat, B flat, C, C sharp, D, C sharp, E flat, F. It's going to be F minor for the key of A flat. Yeah, so that's me indicating it in Roman figure is so that if you are transposing, you know that it's the sixth chord in the scale and it's a minor chord. So when it's written in small letters, it means it's a minor chord. If it's written in capital letters in Roman figure, it means it's a major chord. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So you will be transposing these exercises I gave you, like the one you just played in the key of G major. You transpose to A flat, A, B flat, till you get to F sharp. So I'll show you the button where you can use to transpose on the Chordbot app. I don't think I've taught that, so I'll show you so that you can transpose and play it in all of the keys. The reason for this exercise is basically is so that you can, so that most of you that have not practiced for a while can regain flexibility, right hand and left hand coordination. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so it's quite important that you play it on all of your major keys. And so when you play it on all of your major keys, you become a lot flexible again, and you can sound really good. It's going to help your flexibility, your right and left hand coordination. Now I want to share my screen, so I'll be sharing with the couple app. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the Chordbot app. So initially, when you open the Chordbot app, you probably see a lot of the chords that you see. The default chord when you install the Chordbot app might have maybe minor nights like this or something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my problem.
So you just remove. See, can you see the remove? Can you see remove here?
Mm-hmm.
Remove all of those chords and insert fresh chords. So if I click remove now, I could just easily let me take this one back because I'm going to undo. I just undid what I did. So I have B minor, G major, D, A major, B, G, D, A. Yeah. B, G, D, because I want to remember. So I just remove. I just click remove. Then I insert new ones. Yeah. That's what you could do so that you could get your chord. I also want to put back the chord I had before. So I have B minor, G major, D major, and A major. Yeah, so that was what I had before. Yeah. So just
Yeah.
remove and then. So like I was saying, I want to show you where transpose is. So you see these three horizontal lines here. You click it. Can you see transpose here?
How did you get there, please?
These three horizontal lines. Can you see that? This icon here.
Okay.
When you click
Okay.
it,
Okay.
it brings up transpose as, so we want to transpose. Let's say this is chord 1 now. I've transposed before. I click this place because I have several chords. Yeah, I have 15 sections. I have several chord progressions of different songs here. I have 15 of them. But you probably just have one. Yeah. So if I insert another one, I can click insert here and keep putting chords, different chords that I use physically, that I use to practice. But what you want to do is that once you want to stay on a page, you have to click on loop. You have to click on loop so that when the chord is playing, it doesn't move to the next. It doesn't move to the next page. It just stays on this. Maybe, for example, this first section, we loop to Yahweh, and stays there. Yeah. If I don't loop it, if I don't press loop, it should just go from the first section, 2, 3, 4, to just keep going like that. But once I've looped it, it stays on this page alone. So back to what I was saying. This is currently the chord, but is in I've transposed. So I'm currently in the key of let me see. I'm currently in the key of B minor. Which key has B as the 6th chord? I guess I was in key of D major before. Okay. Yes, I think that's D major. So let me just click on transpose again. So I'll transpose back to G major. I want to go back to G major. So I'll count the semitone from D major to G major. I have D. I'm guessing I'm in E flat. I'm not so sure now. I could calculate it. Let me see. So I have D, E flat. You can count backward or forward. So I have D, E flat. D to E flat is 1. E flat to E is 2. E to F is 3. F to F sharp is 4. F sharp to G is 5. So I just say plus 5.
Mr. Emmanuel.
Yes, can you hear me?
You're too fast.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So I was just counting. I think I was in the key of D major before. That was why the chords were B minor, G major. Let me undo. I'll press this icon here. So it's going to undo. So you see the chords that were there before. B minor, G major, D major, A major. But this is in the key of D major because I was practicing earlier in the morning, and I was in the key of D major. But to take it back to G, I want to take it back to G major now. So this is G major.
Okay.
So I'm going to redo and press redo. So this is G major. This is what I wrote out for you: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. When you want to transpose, you just click on. When you want to transpose, you just click on. For example, if you want to transpose sequentially, so when you're in G major, you want to go to A flat, you just click on +1, and then you have the key of E flat, A flat rather. So now you're in the key of A flat. You can now play that same exercise in the key of A flat. If you want to go to A major, click again +1, and you can keep going sequential wise and play all of the keys that way. So +1. If you want to take, maybe you want to move from G major to C major, you have to count the semitones between G and C major. So you count from G to A flat is 1, A flat to A is 2, A to B flat is 3, B flat to B is 4, B to C is 5. So I just click +5 from G major. It takes me straight up to C major. But you might want to move sequential